Wow, the house is so nice and the living room is so big.
I know, right? I need look. The kitchen is so nice too.
Come here. Now, let's list down all the things that we need.
Okay.
Sit down first.
Aini, can you call the astrok to send their technician to install the decoder?
Sure.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Faezah from astrok speaking. May I help you?
Hello, afternoon. Well, yeah, I would like to install astrok decoder at my place. How can I purchase it?
You can pay using debit card or cash deposit to our account. Then we will send our technician to your house. Can I get your address?
My address is number 14, Jalan Peranduk 5. Is it possible if you send your technician this evening?
Yes, we can. Luckily, there are no other appointments this evening. I'm sorry, but can I get your name, ma'am?
Perfect. You can call me Aini.
Alright, Miss Aini. Is there anything else that I can help you?
No, that's all. Thank you.
So, how does it go?
Done. They said that they will send their technician this evening.
Ooh, that's good.
Hello, good evening. Is this Aini's house? I'm a technician from Astro. You have made appointment to install decoder, right?
Hi. Yes, I have made an appointment. Please come in.
Thank you. Okay, Miss, I already installed the decoder.
Thank you. May I have your number in case there's a problem with the decoder?
Yes, okay, this is my card. You can call my number then.
Okay, thank you again.
Aini, why the television is not working?
Are you sure? Have you tried to turn it off and then turn it on again?
Yes, I have tried many times, but it can. Can I have the technician number?
Sure, wait a minute. Here we go.
Hello?
Hello, may I know, is this the technician?
Yes, the technician is speaking. May I help you?
I want to make a report about the recorder that you installed at our house just now. It is not functioning.
Are you sure? I'm pretty sure I have installed it in the right way. Maybe you the one that touched the wire. That's why it's broken. It's not my fault for sure.
Pay you, so you have to come and fix it even it is our fault.
Sorry, miss, but my work is done. If you want me to fix it, you have to pay me.
Why do I have to pay? It is you who made the mistake.
Are you sure it was me? I won't fix anything if you won't pay me.
Okay then, I will call the customer service and make a report.
Up to you.
Well, what does the technician say?
He say it's not his fault, and we need to pay him if we want to him fix it.
Wow, that's so rude. Let me call the customer service for you.
Hello. Good evening. This is Faezah from Astrok. May I help you?
I want to make a report about the decoder that your technician have installed earlier. It is not functioning.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience, miss. Have you called our technician and asked about the decoder?
Yes, I have. My friend has called him, but he did not admit that it is his fault. Meanwhile, he even asked for an extra pay if we want him to fix it for us.
I apologize for our technician behalf. I will send another technician to your house and fix the decoder.
That's good. Please make it as soon as possible.
Alright, miss. Is there anything else? Can I help you?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Hello?
Hello, is this Miss Aini? I'm in front of your house.
Yes, I am. Who is this?
I'm the new technician. I came to repair your decoder.
Oh, yes. Please, come in.
Everything is done. It's well functioning.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, good evening. I'm Faezah from Astrok Service Center. Is this Miss Aini?
Yes, it is me. Why?
I want to ask, is there any technician came to your house this morning?
Yes, there is.
Oh, okay then. Is the decoder works? I'm sorry for inconvenience again.
It works. Thank you.
Hey, if there anything wrong, feel free to call us.
Will do. Bye.
Okay, bye.